Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, question number 1, part G is 2x plus y equals to 8 and xy equals to 8. So again we will use the substitution method. So now this is the equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we can solve equation 1 for one variable and substitute in the equation 2. So let's express the y there in terms of the x. In terms of x means we have to shift x on the other side here, and y we should make a subject. So now it would be y is equals to 8 minus 2x. This is the equation 3. So then we will substitute equation 3 in equation 2. So here it would be x we will keep same. So 8 minus 2x instead of the y we will write and equals to 8. Then we will expand the bracket, so it would be 8x minus 2x squared, which is equals to 8. So we will shift the 8 on the other side. Let's move these value there because x squared is negative, so we need to make positive. So it would be the 0 equals to 2x squared, then minus 8x and plus 8. After that, we can write down this equation again like 2x squared minus 8x plus 8 equals to 0. As we know that the 2 is common, so let's divide the equation with 2. So then the 2 and 2 will cancel out, so here only x square would be left minus 4x plus 4, which is equals to 0. We got a quadratic, so we will apply here again factorization. So then 8 times c means 4 times 1 is 4 and 2 times 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is minus 4. It means minus 2 and minus 2 makes 4. Minus minus is plus. So x square minus 2x, then minus 2x, then plus 4 equals to 0, because we need here at the middle one. Factorization means break the middle term. At the middle one is minus 4, we need to make the minus 4. So the factors of the 4 means a times c we did 4. The factor of this is 2 and 2. So we can't do the 2 plus 2 because we need a negative sign. So it means we need to take the minus sign with both. Minus minus makes the values plus. Let's take the common there. So x is common. It would be x minus 2 as left. Then minus 2 is common. So x minus 2 equals to 0. Then again we will take common, and here x minus 2 is common. The remaining terms are again x minus 2 equals to 0. Then we will put separately equals to 0 both, so we will get the same answer. X minus 2 equals to 0, it will be plus 2, and second time also we will get the plus 2. This x values I got. Now let's substitute the x values in equation 3 to find y. So now the equation 3 we have y is equals to 8 minus 2x. So instead of the x we will substitute here 2. So then it would be, Here y is equals to 8 minus 4 and y would be equals to 4. If we will substitute again 2, because we got the two same values of x, so we will get the same answer. So answer is repeating there, so we don't need to write the two times, just we will write the solution of the equation, which is x is 2, y is 4. When answer is repeating, so don't need to write two or more than two terms, just write once.